nakikita mo yung good side ko. Hindi lang yung good side yung nakikita mo sa akin, pati yung bad side ko. And yun nga, nandyan ka pag may mga mali akong ginagawa, napayuhan mo ako palagi. Naramdaman ko na concern ka sa akin. Yun lang, mahal na mahal kita. Mag-aaway pero hindi maghihiwalay.
I realized that he's the one. Nung nakita ko na deep inside of him, mabait talaga siya. Some people sasabihin na parang stricto, ganyan. Pero sobrang bait at maalaga siya.
Siya yung the one dahil lagi niya kasi akong sinusuportahan sa mga gusto kong bagay. Concern siya sa akin. Tinatama niya yung mga mali ko.
100 lifetimes I choose you. In 100 worlds I'd find you.
My besties. Alam na.
Rest of my life with all that I have I do. And I will when the sky is full.
Kakilala kami sa Binyag kasi na-invite ako ng friend ko sa Binyag na hindi ko naman alam na nandun din siya. Friend ko pala siya sa Facebook.
When you look at him, mukha siyang stricto na hindi basta-basta namamansin. And sa akin kasi, sa perspective ko, I found it interesting.
I choose you.
Yun, medyo kinakabahan ako pero masaya ako dahil kakasal na ako. Pagtapos nito, may panibagong harapin na naman tayo. Pero nandiyan ka naman eh. Sinusuportahan mo lahat sa relationship natin. Ingat tayo palagi. I love you.
I'm proud to be with you and to join my future with you. I vow to be loving, honest, and faithful wife for the rest of my days. I pledge to honor, support, and cherish you in all circumstances. I will respect you as my partner and an individual. I will encourage you to continue growing as we work toward our mutual goal. And lastly, I will be your confidant and your strength. You know, in front of them, I will say you're my Solomon, Song of Solomon 3 verse 4. I have found the one whom my soul loves.
We choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give